Christmas has come and gone, and the new year is upon us, and I thought I would do a video about reflecting on the purchases that I've made in the last year, so as to remind myself of what things I should and should not buy, and the mistakes that I made this year that I can easily avoid in the coming year. First things first, Taobao. Let's have a look on Taobao. SparkFox Xbox One X controller rechargeable batteries with a dock. These things turned out to be a piece of They only lasted a couple of months and then they started losing their charge. So I had to end up buying the official Microsoft batteries, which work so much better and last so much longer. Definitely, if you have this choice, go with branded products. Yeah, you're paying a little bit more, but you're definitely getting a better value for money in the long run. Stay away from this stuff. SparkFox, they suck. They suck balls. Big, big balls. It's like that helicopter. Helicopter. These suck balls too. During the Chinese New Year, I had this idea of buying a standing table. Unfortunately, I never used it. I thought if I was standing, I would, be more active, and it would encourage me to move around more. I used it for a few days, and then I eventually sold it to a friend. Oh, glasses cleaner. This was supposed to be some special microfiber glasses cleaner. It didn't work. I think it ended up scratching my glasses more than anything. Stay away from that thing. I know there's a bunch of products like that on the market. They don't work. Stay away from them. I saw an ad on TV, or it was a YouTube video about this pimple sucking thing, because I got really bad skin. My skin sucks. Seemed like it would work. No, it left bruises on my face, like a hickey. It should basically be a hickey machine. That would be a better use for it. So if a dude wants to pretend he's got a girlfriend, he can use that machine to give him fake hickeys. What a piece of trash that thing was. Yeah. My original idea for this channel was just a straight review channel. And so I bought this squidgy thingy to stick onto my table because I was filming with a camera at the time. I'm not anymore, but I'll make another video about that in the future. And I thought this thing would come in handy. Didn't use it once. It's sitting on my table. I need to get rid of that. I wanted to give earbuds a try just to see what they're like, and if I like them, maybe upgrade in the future to more expensive ones. These things were garbage. Disconnecting all the time. They fell out of my ears in the gym. Really a waste of money. In the end, I think they just stopped working, and I just threw them away. Screw those ear pods. And that's all the Taobao purchases that I made. The bad Taobao purchases that I made. I thought there was a bit more, actually. Damn, good. Let's move on to Jingdong. JD. I made a lot of expensive purchases on Jingdong. I know that, but they were definitely good purchases. I'll make videos about those in the future. Oh yeah, I bought a light for my Kindle, a night reading light. Still lying around somewhere. I need to get rid of it. I'm never going to use it. I bought a bunch of GoPro accessories because I bought a second-hand GoPro 3 Hero. What a piece of rubbish. That thing was so unreliable. It would heat up really quickly. It would turn off. It was a bunch of garbage. I was so embarrassed that I wouldn't even sell that thing for money. I gave it away for free and told people, if you want to try and fix it, you go ahead. But there was no way I could ask people for money for that thing. What a piece of trash. I was left with a bunch of GoPro accessories, but the camera that I'm using now, I'll make a video about it in the future. I can use all those accessories with, which is great. The OnePlus 7s that I talked about in my last video, those were bought secondhand on Shenyue. They're still working, by the way. They're still going strong, but I don't have high hopes for them. That's all I have for you for today. I thought I'd just make a chillax video. I hope you had a good Christmas, and I will definitely be making some interesting, well, boring videos in the coming year. So get ready for those. Peace.